Hello everyone and welcome back to your training videos. In this video you're going to learn how to create a member's profile. So let's get started. First, go to the Manage tab and then we will go to the Members tab. Now for those of you who are on the Platinum package, you can create a profile in the Leads tab as well, but I'll just focus on the Members tab here. So to create a new member, all that you need to do is click on the Add button. You have to put in the person's first name, the person's last name. You have to choose a gender. Then you have to put in a phone number and an email address. Please note that the phone number and the email address must be unique to this profile. You can also upload a profile image of the person. You can update their date of birth, and you can also add the emergency contact information. Then you can tick this box for whether or not they want to receive marketing emails and marketing push notifications. So do they want to opt in? Then you will click this box here. If they want to remain opted out, you don't have to click anything. Please note that this information, as well as any of the information when you create the profile, can be updated at a later time. So all you need to do then is to click on the Add Member button, and their member slide out pops up. And that's it. That's all you need to do to create the member's profile. To learn more what you can do on the member's profile, please watch the next video. See you there.